I think I broke it. We switching out these bad boys today. Gotta pop the hood, take off the bumper, take all that shit off, put the shit there. Let me show you what kind of lights I got. Check this out. Oh, don't tell me I only have 2% of charge in there. Well. You guys won't be seeing what's inside of here then. It's gonna be on me. Here we are. Camera's charged full. One light is installed. These are the dopest, I'll tell you that. And then, what the hell is that? Super easy though. Quick things. One screw, two screws. Somewhere down there, 3 screws, and a 4th screw down here. I kind of snapped a bolt, rusted bolt, and it's kind of stuck in there right now. Broke the tabs down here and on the side. The bolt that broke on the side. Now this shit is just loose as it usually was. But I'm at loss of bolts. It's the only bolt I have to bolt on my new headlight. Just gotta unplug that little plug, and then that little plug right there. Where's the third one? I got one right here and the other one down there. Let's get to it. Let's take off these bolts and throw this headlight in the garbage. Psych! So, my left hand side right, what did I just say? My left-right head.
I don't even know what that means.
You really need is this for the Alpharex. Really. So all the other plugs, you don't need this, and you don't need the third plug. You don't even need the ballast and the bulb itself. So that's pretty cool because these are LEDs, pretty tight. Anyways, well, that sucks. I'm missing screws. I literally only have one screw, this one right here, the only one that stayed alive, and it's rusted as hell. Well, that was quicker than expected, obviously, because I did that side first, and taking off that plug was not easy at all. Anyways, we still got it in. We got the other one in. I asked them to go buy these 3 bolts, 2 and 3 or 4, because shit, it didn't fit. But jeez, look at that. Seriously, that I really just covered up my. So fast forward to next day, I bought these bolts, which are too big, so I ended up jerry-rigging this shit. I kind of took off a bolt from here. Yo, this shit still, it's as tight as tight can be, okay? As you can tell, zip ties, more zip ties. You can't really see it, but that's a zip tie right here. And another zip tie over there, because I don't have the bracket. Shit happens. It's not a show car, it's a drift car. And a show car somewhat. It's like minus 15 degrees outside. I went out, I had to like level these lights. Do I really gotta show you how to level those lights? Give me a sec. I'm back. So these lights, oh man, I can't even show you how I level these lights well, because I clipped these from. It's like a little screw, you just screw it out. You gotta go like a little further out, you know, level it out on a level floor, check the wall, and then you just, I lifted the living shit out of these lights, because they were on the floor. They're literally like all the way down. I lifted the living hell out. I like to blind people when I drive, so they know I'm coming, you know what I'm saying? Check this out. That's pretty tight. And I like how my rear lights are LEDs and my fronts are LEDs now, so you know what I'm saying? That's what I forgot. Forgot to hook these ones up. And do I really gotta? Just got done installing this. Shit. Tight AF, dude. Oh, man. Gotta straighten this shit up. What am I wearing? Shorts. It's like minus 10 degrees outside. Oh man, I hate this shit. Oops. Oh, I think I broke it. I think I broke it. That cutoff line though. That's just pretty tight. What is that? Is that a cop? No, it ain't cop. Alright. Hit it. That should be frozen. These what it is. Yeah, that's about it. Tell me what you guys think. Like and subscribe. We'll hit you up on the next video.